Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best rock tumblers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Hobby Rock Tumbler Kit. Buying this exceptional tumbler kit will allow users to create an impressive set of gemstones. Turning the ordinary ones into the great ones is a very easier task for those who have this tumbler kit from the National Geographic brand. This machine has a very durable design and asks for a very simple operation. There is a high-quality motor added to the unit for making the machine long-lasting. Moving on at number 4, we have DanDarcy Tumbler Kit. We will conclude the list with this advanced tumbler kit having superb ability to turn the tough rocks into polished ones. It comes with a complete set of accessories with everything ranging from the main machine to grit packets and even a low noise barrel. The manufacturer has added advanced features like speed controls, day timers, and gorgeous LCD screens among others. We will say it is an extraordinary gift for kids looking to enhance their creativity. At number 3, we have Rock Tumbler Starter Kit. If you have a limited budget to shop, we suggest shopping for this quality tumbler kit from the National Geographic brand. It is an easy-to-use unit created by manufacturers by keeping the beginners and kids in mind. There is a proper instructional manual delivered with this unit for making things efficient. It is one of the best rock tumblers using which creation of gemstones becomes easier than ever. This all-in-one tumbling kit is very useful for kids to learn about new things. At number 2, we have Nature-Bound Rock Tumbler Kit. Making a habit in kids to create polished gemstones can be very useful for them in the future. This rock tumbler kit is created for bright young stars that have goals to reach new heights. It is delivered to the buyers with a useful instruction set for making the operation convenient. This complete kit comes with a power cord, rock tumbler, powder, instruction manual, and various unpolished gemstones. Furthermore, there is no leakage chance as the manufacturer has created it to fasten the tumbler quickly. And finally at number 1, Chicago Rotary Rock Tumbler. We can't find a better option than this rock tumbler for opening the list due to its extraordinary abilities. It comes with a solid 3 pounds capacity that is enough for most of the cases. Operating this machine is very convenient even if you are using it for the first time. If we talk about the rubber barrel, it has a very quiet operation making sure no one gets disturbed. The manufacturer has provided it with a nice plastic body that can fulfill the customer's needs for many years. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.